Guys, I just joined iPad one day and I found this. The joysticks are glitching. It's not doing it now, but it most likely will. Look, it's flagging also. It was glitching. See, like that. Like this. I don't even have my hand on it. I don't even have my hand on it. The joysticks are just glitching out. Like, oh my, ow, ow. Like, my bullets are shooting out my backside and stuff. The joysticks aren't even working. I'm running into everything. See, look, I'm not even doing anything. Not if I do this, that's the only... And I just started recording this video to show you this code still. Oh, it's wanting me to download stuff again. It's stalled up. It's stalled up. Alright guys, I'll see you later.